If you're someone who is constantly worrying about what other people think about you, then you're just stressing yourself out, bro. Like, for me, I was really a big people pleaser. I was like constantly trying to, like push a image of myself to other people. And I was like, I also looked like a joker at that time because of this thing. As I was constantly just praising myself, I always overthink about, oh, what is she thinking about me? Oh, what is he saying about me? Or like, why is that person laughing? Is he laughing at me? And you know what, like, these all things were genuinely destroying my mental peace. And now that I have kind of grown up, not grown up, but you know what, like, I have gained some amount of maturity, I realized that just not caring what other people think about you and just minding my own business and just doing what I love is the best option. Because see, I think this is the one thing that nobody can control. That nobody can control what other people think about you. The next person sitting to you could be thinking that you are a good person. Oh, you're so good in studies, or you're so good in that, or like whatever. And he could, or she could also be thinking that, oh, she's really bad. I mean, I didn't like her attitude. So how much can you think about it? Like, bro, you can't impress everyone. This is the reality. You cannot impress everyone you meet. There would be haters and there would be people who will support you. And if you actually really want to pursue your dream and you really want to do what you actually love by your heart, then you have to prepare yourself to be hated by other people, because no one in their whole freaking life has achieved anything without getting hated by people. So I think now that I just don't care about what other people think about me, and I'm just so, you can say, self-obsessed with myself. And yet, wait, I'm not saying that I'm self-obsessed with myself in a negative way, in a, like, narcissist way. It means that I'm actually just working on myself, I'm improving, and I'm just focusing on what makes me feel happy. This is what I mean by it. So yeah, I think it's really good now. So, and I think I really wanted to share this tip. If you ever felt stressed out and just you're constantly overthinking and there are so many thoughts inside you that it's just making you really mad and whatever, then try meditation. And I'm not saying that I do, like, I'm a pro meditator. I have just started meditating like a month ago, and I always, just sit at a place for an hour and just, like, try to calm myself, try to just close my eyes and breathe in and out. And I'm gonna say this has actually improved my focus a lot. Like, a lot, guys. Like, it's genuinely a miracle. And if anyone of you is just dealing with depression or burnout, then please try meditation. I'm really gonna recommend it. And yeah, I mean, I'm not here staying by just seeing the videos. I have tried it myself and I felt really good. And yeah, I mean, bye bye.